Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Today I again continue my lecture of phrasal verb. So this is lecture 3 and for both classes, phrasal verb by Sabla. Okay. So I don't waste your time in 6 or 7 or 8 minutes. I just give you some things, okay, and define and put on sentences. Okay, thank you. So the word is kick about. Kick about means discuss. One thing, you always try to make very little sentences, okay? Don't worry if we make little sentences, they must be meaningful, okay? So pick about means discuss. Mr. Ahmad kicked about with his friend abruptly. Okay, Mr. Ahmad kicked about with his friends abruptly. Abrupt बोलते हैं अचानक. Abruptly, this adverb meaning अचानक. Okay. Kicked about. Discuss. So I written both words. Talk about. This is very simple. It give a positive. Kicked about. The thing should be accidentally, abruptly. Okay. We said discuss. So Ahmad kicked about with his friend abruptly. अचानक उसने discuss किया दोस्तों के साथ. Okay. Now when I see the word talk about, discuss. I talk about with friends. I talk about with friends on current situation. On current situation. I talk about, मैं बात करता हूँ, discuss करता हूँ with friends on current situation. So there's two words. Talk about, discuss. Okay. When you say kick about, discuss means kick about. Kick means to hit. Hit. Okay. So I say two words, two phrases, same meaning, the concept different. Okay. Thank you. Now, third is kick out. Very simple. Kick out. Expel. Meaning खारिज करना, निकालना. Kick out. Expel. How I make sentence? One my friend. Okay, don't write one my friend. One my friend, don't write. Okay. Kick out. Okay. Kick out. निकाल दिया. निकालना, खारिज करना. He is kicked out. He is kicked out from his job, from his post due to low performance. This is good sentence, okay? He is kicked out from his post due to low performance. You got my point? Okay. He is kicked out from his post due to low performance. Okay? This is good sentence, okay? But dear student, you can make sentence from your own mind, okay? Due to your studies, okay? So expel is finished, okay? Kicked out. Now, my dear student, lay on, उसकी दो मीनिंग है, टू मीनिंग, ऑर्गेनाइज एंड सप्लाई. लेयर, ऑर्गेनाइज. China is trying to lay on. China is trying to lay on. China is trying to lay on its material, its product in international market. Dear student, China is trying to lay on means organize or to supply, give both meanings same. China is trying to lay on its product in international market. China is trying to lay on, to organize, to supply its product in international markets. This is a very perfect sentence. So you can do same thing. China is trying to lay on its product to national market. Okay, international market. Okay. Now, link up means to connect. Link up. Luckily, I am linked up with my college email. Luckily, I am linked up with my college email. Okay, college email. Dear student, luckily I am linked up with my college email. Thank you. Now the word is, okay, write down. Luckily, linked up. Okay. Now, the other is carry off. Carry off means to finish. Link means to connect. Carry off means to finish. Compete. Compete किससे मुकाबला करना, पूरा करना, खत्म करना. I carried off my assignment on required time. I carried off my assignment on required time. मैंने अपने मुकर्रर टाइम पे assignment पूरा किया, खत्म किया. I carried off my assignment on required time. So this is, you know how I make the sentences to make you feasible, to make it easy that you write a perfect sentence in your examination. So this is my vision, my dear student. You follow my vision. I hope you must do. Aid on. Aid on means include. Aid on, include. Aid on to include. Okay, aid on. Pakistan is aid on in developing countries. Pakistan is aid on, include in developing countries. Means Pakistan progress कर रहा है आगे की तरफ. Pakistan is aid on in developing countries. So the word is aid and include. Okay. Now I am going to my dear student. I hope you enjoy the bake off. Two words I give you here. Bake off. Then is bake away. There are two phrasal verbs. Bake off, bake away. My dear student, the meaning is go backward, retreat, bhagna. Retreat You know what's the meaning of this word retreat? मैदान से भागना. क्या है? Go backward. आके फिर भाग जाना. जो चीज आपकी हथियार में ना हो, आपकी ताकत में ना हो, आप बेकअप होते हैं. I'm writing both break off, break away. If I write Indian army is always backed off, oblique, away from the ground, from the battleground. My dear student, please try to understand. Indian army is always backed off, away from the battleground. This is fact, what I know. As I know, I have been written the same sentence according to my emotion. Indian army is always backed off, away from the battleground. So today I teach you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 phrasal verbs. And now there is assignment. Number is polish off, jack up, blow up, big up. This is the word, my dear student. I write again. You know, now just rub it all. Okay, did you understand way, my dear student? Okay. Assignment is polish off. Polish off, call up, cap off, ask our, bag out, below up, jack up. Polish. So these are. So what I say, my dear student, this is assignment. You write in your home, find the meaning from dictionary and just make into sentences. So this is very simple. Polish up, call up, cap off, ask over, bag out, below up, jack up. So you know why I am teaching you the very meaningful phrasal verb. Maybe 3, 2, 1 come in your examination. It should be very good for you. You will gain 5 numbers. This is my vision. So please follow, and also you practice. This is the main language through speaking, through writing. So this is my vision. You follow my lectures, that you will upbring your language structure, speaking very well. Oh, I hope you must enjoy. Whenever you come now, Sir Zain has told many students, through the your WhatsApp number, you can send my assignment and focus me that hey, you have learned or not. If you follow my lecture seriously, concernedly, so you will understand much more. So I hope you enjoy and learn much more while sit in your home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.